The mother just came in, check on the chicks. Soon as I just feeding them, and male and female. Husband and wife trying to take care of their kids. They're feeding them. This is the father. The mother's with the kids. The father tried to pay. The mother will let him because of the weight. Because their nest can't carry all of them all. So they can't break the nest. So he's trying to wait for the mom to leave so that he can go feed them too. Probably they can both stay on the nest, but as the kids keep growing heavier and heavier, the net is going to break. And they will have to start rebuilding it. But for now, it's going to carry them. So the mom is there with the kids and the husband is waiting to come and check up. She will let her. As you can see, this is the man. Has his food inside his mouth, waiting for the wife to go out so that he too can feed the chicks. But she won't let go. She wouldn't want to go because they're both seeing me here, thinking I'm here to harm the chicks, but just taking a picture. She's taking a live video. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, Christian Anyanwu Ugochukwu 3212. That's my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more animal videos here in Africa, Nigeria, Imo State, Mbano, here directly in Abaja. This is my house, and that's where the bird is living with his family. And just been watching on it. The mom has left. The husband has gone to offer his own food. He has given them his off. Thank you. Please stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel, Christian Anyanwu Ugochukwu 3212. Please subscribe for more videos.